Hi, my name is Eric and I want to present you my CS50X final project with the title Birthday Reminder. So basically I wanted to create a web application where I can easily enter the birthdays of my friends and family, and I wanted to get automatic email reminders 7 to 10 days before the birthday. So I used other technologies like JavaScript and Node.js before, and this time I wanted to use Python and Flask. That's what I did, and MariaDB for the database. And so that everything worked out, I had to use other libraries. I used the AP scheduler, which is basically a library where I was able to set at a specific interval to check some conditions. So basically it checks every 24 hours if the condition is true that a birthday is going to be in 7 days, and if that's the case, with the Flask mail library it will automatically send the email. And the Flask session is basically necessary for the user authentication and the caching of the user data. I wanted to use Docker. I used it before, but not for my own projects. I created two containers, an application and a database container, and I wanted to run it locally on my Raspberry Pi 4B. I was interested to install Ubuntu 20.4 LTS server, and then I basically installed Docker on that instance. So to reference to the CS50X course, I have an input and an output. What's the input? The input are the birthdays with date, months and years, and the logic, the application, will make it possible to send the automatic mail reminders. So how does the application look like? That's the landing page. You have an overview of the upcoming birthdays with a compact presentation of the most important information: age, days to birthday, and the gender. Then you can easily add new birthdays with individual configuration options. In this case we have two. You can decide if you want to display it on the landing page, on the main page, or not. And if you want to get automatic email notification, you can set it to true or false if not, basically. And this is the last slide and the last view of the application, the list view with all the birthdays sorted by date. As you can see, with the pencil you can directly edit the entry, or with the X you can delete the entry. So this is it for my CS50X project. Thanks for watching, and if you're interested to find out more, have a look at the GitHub repository.